you imagine someone speedrunning this game? The untold amount of pain and suffering they would have to go through for the final sections of this. It would be absolutely so fun. It would probably, if anything, as soon as they see like a pitfall, they'll probably throw themselves over through it so they can just go to the next floor quicker. Find a skip. What? There's not even anything close to being a skip in this game. Not even close. Granted, if we did consider the amount of time that we spent on cutscenes and stuff, it wouldn't be that bad, but yeah. It has to be over here. Yeah, I would imagine they will go for the first credits. That would make sense, but here we go. What? I don't know, how long have I been going? Oh. Well. What's that question?